welcome to the channel. This is part of the AliExpress bundle of packages that I got that were shipped together. Now I'm hoping that these are my springs for my 3D printer, because it was supposed to be shipped with the other stuff that I had already received. Oh no. Oh. Okay, the springs are not here. Okay, these are two HDMI or USB Type-C cables I got for a couple of my Nintendo Switches. And these are supposed to light up. Actually, I have a battery bank. I can show you. So there's the green one. I had another light up, not HDMI, USB-C cable, but unfortunately something happened to the internals and it got all messed up. And I did buy some other cables, but they had magnets on the ends for the three different types: micro SD, micro USB, USB-C, and Apple. But yeah, those two cables were a pain for me to use and constantly got stuck in my phone and in the device that I was using. So yeah, no, those cables that have the magnetic ends on them are not that great. It's better to get a cable that actually has a fixed end on them for what you want. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.